Good morning, students. This is Dr.J.Jaya, Associate Professor in EC Department, RMD Engineering College. So in this video, we are going to discuss a stepper motor construction and working and related excitation table. So first of all, you must know what is meant by stepper motor. Actually, stepper motor is nothing but a brushless DC motor which converts the electrical input signal into a mechanical output. Then next, you know that stepper motor means step by step only it will rotate. It is not rotating continuously. For example, if you are taking DC motor, DC generator, it will run continuously. But a stepper motor, it will rotate step by step depending upon the step angle what we given. So this is a circuit arrangement of stepper motor using 8051. So in 8051, we are having a different ports, but here we are using the port as P1. So in the P1 port, we have taken totally 4 pins. That is P1.0, P1.1, P1.2, P1.3. These 4 pins are connected to buffer. That is 7407 is nothing but a buffer. The buffer output is connected to the Darlington pair. Actually, Darlington pair is nothing but a multi-transistor configuration. So it consists of 2 transistors. So you may have the doubt. So why we are using a 2 transistor? See, if you are using a single transistor, that the transistor is not having a sufficient current to drive the load. So that's why here we are using a 2 transistor model. So output of the first transistor is given to the second transistor in order to increase the current value. Okay, then next the output of the Darlington pair is given to the stator winding of the stepper motor. So here X1, X2, Y1, Y2. So this is a stator windings. The next important thing in the stepper motor, we are having a 2 configuration. One is unipolar configuration, another one is bipolar configuration. So what is the difference between these 2 configuration means in the bipolar, you see the bipolar, there is no common wire. But if you're moving to unipolar, we are having a common wire. So why we are using this unipolar means it's the easy of use. So easily we can access the unipolar device. That's why here we are using a unipolar configuration. Here we are having a common point. So that common point is connected to plus 12 volt power supply. The next important thing is here we are having a resistor. R is nothing but a resistor. So this is acting as a voltage divider. So this is circuit arrangement for stepper motor. The next one, excitation table. So first table is a full step excitation sequence. So in full step, how we have to energize or excite your stator winding means. So first you take X2, Y2, X1, Y1. So first you have to energize X2, Y2, then next Y2, X1, then X1, Y1, then Y1, X2. So in that way only you have to energize your stator winding for a full step operation. Similarly, if you are moving to the off step operation, how to energize means it's a very simple X2, Y2, then Y2 alone, then Y2, X1, X1 alone, then X1, Y1, then Y1 alone, then Y1, X2, then finally X2 alone. So in this way only how to energize your stator winding. So if you are energizing in this way now, then you will get the off step operation. I think this video is useful for you. Thank you all.